Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the app delay feature in File Launcher. So to begin, head over to settings by tapping this arrow here or swiping up, tap settings, scroll down a bit and then tap app launch delay and look for an app that maybe you open a lot and you want to stop opening all the time. So as an example, I'll use YouTube. So I'll tap on it and then I'll choose how long I want to wait before the YouTube app actually works. So not to waste you guys' time, I'll select 5 seconds, but normally you should select something higher, maybe 15 seconds, because you can also tap custom and then enter, let's enter 6 seconds, not 16, 6 instead of 5. Okay, so I've done it for YouTube. You can do it for any of the apps you see here. Just choose anyone and enter the amount of time you want to wait before the app launches. Okay, so now I'm going to open YouTube and see how long it takes before the app opens. And as you can see, this is what happens, and then it's going to ask you if you really want to open the app or you want to cancel. So maybe you have apps that you are trying to avoid, so this is a way to maybe delay yourself so that you don't always open the app. And now I can cancel. Alright, so hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.